Hi, I'm Arnel from Arnel's Everyday English, and today we're going to look at for, since, and during step by step. In English, for and since have many different uses, but today we're going to focus on time. So, today it's for, since, comparing for and since, during, and typical mistakes. There's going to be a lot of information, so you need a pen and a notebook. Get ready to take notes. Let's start. We use for plus length of time. What's length? Length is the noun, long is the adjective. Oh. This snake is very long. It's about 1 meter in length. Remember, the G in length is silent. It's pronounced length, not length. Okay. Right. 20 minutes is a length of time. 5 hours is a length of time. Every morning, I brush my teeth for 2 minutes. And in the evening for 2 minutes. Every morning, I run on the treadmill for 45 minutes. I don't really do this. It's an example. I've lived in this flat for 6 years. Pete and I have been married for 7 years.
8 years.
8 years. With all of these, I have for plus length of time. I also have a number. I have 25 to 45, etc. The number isn't necessary. It can also be a time phrase. I'll be staying at my sister's house for a couple of nights. I was stuck in traffic for hours. My stomach hasn't been feeling well for a few days now. Excuse me, Sally. I don't want anyone to disturb me for the next few hours. For plus length of time. Let's continue. Okay, we use since plus start of time. The pronunciation here is important. Since. Science. This is a typical mistake. Since, not science. On this line, I have the past and the present. We use since plus a start of time. 2017. I've been using this phone since 2017. 2017 is my starting point. 1995. My parents have owned this restaurant since 1995. 1995 is my starting point. I'm really hungry. I haven't eaten since 7 a.m. 7 a.m. is my starting point. This road has been closed since the 9th of May. With all of these examples, I have since plus a start of time. Again, the number 1995, 7 a.m., the 9th isn't necessary. It can also be a time phrase. I've been wearing glasses since I was 7. I was 7 is a starting point. My new colleague, Kyle, has been complaining since day 1. Day 1 is a starting point. I haven't met many people since I've moved here. I moved here is a starting point. There we go. Let's compare for and since. We have for plus length of time, since plus start of time. I've had Ben for 6 years. I've had Ben since 2013. The information is the same. The grammar is different. I've been waiting for 30 minutes. I've been waiting since 9 a.m. I haven't seen George for about a decade. I haven't seen George since graduation. Let's get specific. We can use for with any tense. What's a tense? These are tenses. Present simple, present continuous, present perfect, etc. You can use for with any tense. What about since? We use since with perfect tenses. It's the most common and most natural way to use since. Now, I don't want you to think, oh my goodness, there's so many tenses for me to learn. If you always think for plus length of time, since plus start of time, you will always use those words correctly. As you're learning English, you will become more familiar with the tenses and you will eventually understand all of them. Okay, let's continue with during. We use during plus a set period. What's a set period? I know the start time and the finish time. During the exam, you cannot speak. The exam is a set period. It's from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. I usually work as a lifeguard during the summer. The summer is a set period. June to September. She kept talking to me during the film. The film was 2 hours. It's a set period. My grandfather was a lieutenant during the Second World War. The Second World War is a set period, 1939 to 1945. I really wanted to go home during my lunch break. My lunch break is a set period, 12 o'clock to 12:45. During plus that specific set period. typical mistakes. Using during plus length of time. I've been waiting during 2 hours. I've been waiting for 2 hours. Using since plus a length of time. I've been living in London since 6 years. I've been living in London for 6 years. Using since with an unnatural tense. I'm waiting since 8 a.m. I've been waiting since 8 a.m. Remember, we use since with the perfect tenses. Subscribe! Don't forget, if you enjoyed the lesson, you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and Quora. You did a fantastic job in today's lesson, and I'll see you soon for another video.